Techy is proud to announce the launch of Techy S.A, a remarkable addition to our global family. From our headquarters in Fort Lauderdale, USA, we expanded across the world, and now we're bringing the expertise to South Africa. With a rich history in technology and unwavering commitment to excellence, Techy S.A is here to make a lasting impact, offering world-class repair solutions tailored for the South African market. As a leader in device repair and resale, we specialize in smartphones, tablets, laptops, and accessories, delivering world-class service with unmatched expertise.
Our technicians do more than just repair devices. Every smartphone, laptop, and tablet is serviced with meticulous attention to detail, ensuring only the highest quality of workmanship. Our technicians are WISE accredited, ensuring top-tier service, meeting only the highest industry standard. We are also an Apple-approved reseller, using only genuine Apple OEM parts for the best quality and performance.
Transparency is key. Our state-of-the-art point-of-sale system and advanced internationally designed software keeps customers informed every step of the way, from diagnosing to completion. Real-time updates ensures a seamless repair experience. For added convenience, we offer nationwide pickups and drop-offs with our trusted courier partners, bringing expert repair services right to your doorstep. Because we understand the importance of long-term protection, every repaired phone receives a complimentary screen guard. This is standard practice in the Techy franchise. This added level of defense helps future damage, reducing the risk of repeat claims, saving the insurer and the customer both time and money.
At Techy S.A, our commitment goes beyond technology. We are dedicated to making a lasting impact on the local community. Through our CSR initiatives, we empower women, support people with disabilities, and create job opportunities for South Africa's youth. As responsible corporate citizens, we strive to drive growth, inclusivity, and well-being, because a stronger community means a brighter future for all.
At Techy S.A, we take environmental responsibility seriously through our LCD part exchange program. We send used screens back to Apple in the US, ensuring that they are properly refurbished or recycled.
We also partner with DESCO, a leading recycling company, to dispose of a battery in an eco-friendly manner, keeping hazardous materials out of landfills and contributing to a greener future.
Through responsible waste management, we are not just repairing devices, we are protecting the planet, one component at a time.
At Techy, these are the levels of our repairs. Level 1, basic repairs. Quick fixes like minor software issues and battery replacements, completed in one day. Tier 2, common repairs. Screen and camera replacements for popular models with a 1 to 2 day turnaround time. Level 3, complex repairs. Motherboard issues, water damage, and advanced component replacement with a 1 to 3 day turnaround time. Tier 4, specialty repairs. Hard to source components and intricate soldering with a 2 to 4 day turnaround time. Tier 5, extreme repairs. Extensive water damage, data recovery, and high specialized fixes with a 3 to 5 day turnaround time.
At Techy, we do more than repair devices. We restore connections, empower communities, and drive innovation. With world-class expertise, a commitment to sustainability, and a passion for customer service, we are the answer to insurance companies seeking reliable, high-quality repair solutions.